makes their lives easier because these hallways are so long.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna show you our model 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It is popular because it's the cheapest.
Yes.
Which is so nice, but they kind of get a bang for their buck because the size of like the walk-in closets, it's a big kitchen. This is furnished just because it's our model.
Yes.
They get all the appliances and everything, just not, the sofa and such. All right, so this one's the gold drop.
It's the kitchen.
And I also have pre-recorded videos too. I can send over to you.
Okay. It's nice right there.
And they all come with balconies.
And that's...
You can go in there, that's the second bedroom. And
Oh,
this
second
is
bedroom.
the primary bedroom.
Oh, primary. Walk-in closet right here. That's pretty big. So this is at least a queen size to king. I would have to measure it, but space to walk through and everything. Size is not the issue. Primary. Look at this bedroom. If you can get something like this in the city, still would have been great. You could put any size bed on these walls and look, it got a huge, you would never get a closet this size in New York City, never. Look at this. It's pretty cool.
And this is the second bedroom, or bathroom. All of the 2 bedrooms come with a walk-in shower and a bathtub.
Nice.
Coat closet there. So some extra storage. And then most importantly, full-size washer and dryer right behind there. Some of them are side by side, but they're always the same GE washer and dryer full size.
Right.
Kitchen, always electric stove top. You get garbage disposal, dishwasher. The 2 bedrooms come with a water filter inside and then an ice maker. The 1 bedroom